Hello, it's Les at Mac James Motors, 9111 34A Avenue, South Edmonton. We've been here forever. 2016 Ram 1500 ECO Diesel, 3-liter diesel, 6-cylinder engine, 4x4 of course. Nice big extended cab, cloth interior, two-tone gray seats. As you can see, bench in the back, buckets in the front. There's your climate control. We have heated seats and heated steering wheel in this piece. That'll be your entertainment center, multimedia, AM, FM, nav, analog and digital dash, Bluetooth, cruise control on the wheel, power windows, door locks and mirrors, power seats, tons of space in the back as you can plainly see. Really well taken care of. Slide window in the back, box liner, spray in, receiving hitch, 4 and 7-pin plug, dual exhaust, backup camera. This is a lovely piece. 3-liter diesel Ram 1500 2016. It's available here at Mac James Motors at 9111 34A Avenue. It's also available for financing. So if you're interested in financing, fill out an application at the top of our webpage. Let our sales team get your approval ready. You come on down and drive it home. Mac James Motors, 9111 34A Ave.